Welcome to LEC on Phonics, making this subject matter in a simplified and interesting approach to all learners. There are 26 letters of the alphabet, which consists of 5 vowel letters and 21 consonant letters. This creates 44 letter sounds made up of 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. These sounds are represented by 23 letters of the alphabet and 12 special symbols approved by International Phonetic Association (IPA). It is worthy of note that among the letter sounds there is a single story A and a double story A. Also, there is a small capital letter I. The letter G used as a sound is usually represented by a single story G, not a double story G. And lastly, the colon used is a triangular colon, not a circular colon. All this is to have a presentable transcription whenever you decide to write it in print. Note also that all these sounds are usually presented in slashes to be able to differentiate a letter from a letter sound. This is a vowel sound. It is sounded oo. It is said to be a long vowel sound because it is sounded with long breath. That is to say, oo, not oo. You may repeat after me. Ooh, 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 ooh. The triangular colon you can see shows that it is a long vowel sound. Without the triangular colon, the sound becomes a short sound. The oo is basically the sound of double O. For example, the word food is pronounced food. The word moon is pronounced moon. And the word stood is pronounced stood. Others include soon, room, tool, root, boot, moon, and pool. In some words, OU is sounded oo. Such words include wound, youth, troop, group, and soup. Also in some words, EW is sounded oo. Such words include blue, crew, grew, screw, drew, chew, flew, slew, and through. Remember, silent E or magic E usually changes the sound of letter U to be U, as in mute, cute, fume, fuse, and abuse. The exceptions are tune, rude, June, look, and flute. Worthy of note, these words on the screen have oo sound. The first word is you, then adieu, followed by lose, then womb. Next, tomb, then maneuver, then souvenir, then douche, then rheumatic. Next, debut, followed by juice, and bruise. With this, we have come to the end of this discussion. Before we go, let's look at these minimal pairs. The first pair, pool and pull. Pull and pull. Next, could and could. Could and could. Next, fool and full. Fool and full. Next, look and look. Look and look. Next, suit and soot. Suit and soot. Let's look at this sentence. The roof of the room is blue. The roof of the room is blue. This sentence reads, the fool stooped at the pool with broom to sweep. The fool stooped at the pool with broom to sweep. Lastly, this tongue twister is to drill you on the sound U. Loose it, loose, loose the sluice, the slew. With this, we have come to the end of our discussion. Next sound shall be discussed in the next video. Goodbye.